Assalamu alaikum أعزائي التلاميذ. Welcome again to a new lesson. This is your teacher Naeem. Today inshallah we have an interesting lesson again from your multimedia English lab. So let's start. Today we're going to talk about sport. It's very interesting. I know that you like sport. First of all, what is sports? I know that you like sports, so what is sports? Can you define it? Simply, it means, or we mean by sports, all forms of physical activities in which an individual or team competes again against another or others. Sometimes one competes against himself. Okay, next we're going to see some examples of sports. I know that there are so many kinds of sports. We're going just to name a few. First of all, we have football. Next, we have basketball. Next, we have rugby, skiing, weightlifting, karate, volleyball, judo, tennis, gymnastics, handball, cycling, jogging, exercise. Remember that we have also physical exercises, we have mental exercise, surfing, aerobics, ice skating, American football. We have football and we have American football. Also, we name it soccer. We have athletics. And we have boxing. This is the last one. Yes, I think that you have some funny cartoons here just to name a few sports or names of sports. Okay, on page 17, you have this exercise. It's vocabulary again. Use the word in the box to name the 16 sports. Okay, we have a list here. We have A through P. Okay, we start with A, cycling. Yeah. Swimming. Yes. Weightlifting. Cool. Fencing. Yes. Baseball is number one there. Diving. American football again. Horse riding. Athletics. Gymnastics. Tennis. Volleyball. Basketball. Boxing. Golf. Soccer. Remember, we can say also football. Okay, talking about sports, we should keep in mind that we use three verbs to talk about our favorite sports. We have go, we have play, and we have do. So we're going to see the difference between the three verbs when talking about sports. Okay, number one, go is used for sports that end in ing. For example, skiing. So we say I go skiing. Okay, play, we use it for team sports in which we need equipment most of the time. And do is used for individual sports, mostly no equipment is needed, in which karate, for example, martial arts, and so on and so forth. The next practice is we're going to classify some sports again in the right box. We have one for go, one for play, one for do. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, I'll let you think about it. Are we done? We start correction. Okay, we start with the go, then we go to the box of play, then we end with do. Okay, we have numbers here. We are from number 1 to number 16. We're going to write the number and you write the name of the sport. Okay, let's start. So number 1, cycling. 5, horse riding, swimming, skiing, car racing, and skateboarding. So we see go. Playing, we have football, golf, baseball, basketball, tennis, American football. For do, we have karate, we have yoga, we have judo, and we have aerobics. So remember these guys when talking about sports. Okay, on page 65, we have a practice speaking exercise here. It's just a review of the present continuous we saw last time. Okay, what are you doing? You remember the question? Yes, look at the picture and then listen and repeat. We have a girl and a boy. Are you playing tennis? Boy, no, I'm not. Girl, what are you doing? Boy, I'm weight training. Okay, remember please the verb go, do, and play. We have some examples of sports here. We have 4. Yes, you can name others. I think we saw so many types of sport today. Yes, we have, okay, number 1, we have basketball, cycling, gymnastics, and soccer or football. So remember, please keep in mind the verb go, do, and play when you repeat the same dialogue. So look at the picture, then ask and answer a question. It's a speaking exercise in a way. You can do it with your friends. So keep it in mind. For example, girl, are you playing baseball? We're talking about picture number 1. Boy, no, I'm not. What are you doing? Boy, I'm playing basketball. Okay, you can do the same for number 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we have another grammar exercise. It's very interesting again to revise the present continuous. Yes, make question and answer. We have picture. We have 8 people in the picture. Andy, Steve, Jane, Paul, Bob, Tim, Meg, Peter. Okay, make question and answer. Okay. The exercise is following like this. So we have number 1 through number 8. Okay, you are going either to answer the question or make a question. Okay, I'll give you some time to think about it. Okay, number 1. Is Andy doing taekwondo? Look at Andy. Yes? No. No, he isn't. He's cycling. Okay, then next, is Peter playing basketball? No, he isn't. He's playing football. Is Meg doing yoga? No, she isn't. She's playing. Is Paul playing baseball? Yes, he is playing baseball. Is Steve doing karate? No, he isn't. Okay, sorry. No, he isn't. Okay, there's a kind of mistake here. We forgot to write he. He is skiing. Is Jane doing athletics? Yes, she is. Okay, number 7. Is Bob playing basketball? Yes, he is playing basketball. Or simply we can say yes, he is. Okay, the last one is Tim playing baseball. No, he isn't. He is playing volleyball. Okay, talking about sports, we should talk also about abilities here. So when you talk about abilities, we should think about the modal verbs can and can't. Okay, Yes, it's funny. The scissors and cutting between into two can and apostrophe T. So we have two pictures here. Number one, okay, what can we see about number one? Yes, we see I can swim. Great. Okay, number two, cycling. I can't ride a bike. Yes, you can look at the picture. It's so funny. I have just fallen from my bike. Yes. So, talking about can and can't, remember please? That's can and can't are followed by an infinitive verb most of the time when we're talking about abilities. So you see I can do, or I can say I can't do. Okay, talking about can affirmative here we are. So remember, yes, you can say I can do it. Yes, believe in yourself every time. Yeah. Okay, for the negative, yes, we have can't. So we have I can't. This is the short form. We have also the full form, which is cannot. You can use it or you can use this one. Okay, for example, I can't do it. I cannot fly. This is the full form, yes. Okay, the interrogative, yes. This is it. Yeah. Can you do it? Yes, the guy is clicking on can. Yes, you can. Yes, believe in yourself. You can do it. On page 67 again, we have a speaking exercise here. Can you play handball? Number 4. Listen and repeat, then ask and answer the questions. George and Dries. Can you play handball? Dries? No, I can't, but I can play basketball. Okay, you can do the same for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have climb the mountains, practice karate or do karate, run 5,000 meters, play table tennis or ping pong. So, for example, you can say, George, can you climb mountains? Greece, no, I can't, but I can run, for example, 1,500 meters. Cool. Okay, so remember, can you? And the answer can be no, I can't. This is the interrogative forms. Okay. On page 72, homework. Yeah, it's physical education. Physical education, okay, remember you can see sports or you can see physical education, or most of the time you can write the abbreviation PE. Look at this advertisement and write the names of the sports. Anyway, I think that we have already seen all the names of these sports, so no need to name them again. So the homework is like this advertisement of our school sports days. Work in small groups. No, you're going to work individually at home. Yes, you know why. Yes. Choose your favorite sports and activities and make a poster of your own school sports days. Find or draw pictures and name the sports. Number 4, display your poster in the classroom. No, you're going to display it via any multimedia device you have at hand, your phone, your tablet, or your PC. So you can do it and show your teacher the outcome. Okay, I think this is the end.